So Neil deGrasse Tyson said the way you get people interested in science is, he said there was a person who said if you want people to sail, make them long for the sea. Don't make them, don't tell them. And he said if you want to get kids interested in science, get out of their way. Kids naturally explore, and he said if they break an egg, you can call it a science experiment. They learned about textures and structures and stuff. Anyway, so that really matches my understanding of childhood. When I had a Commodore 64, I liked, one of my favorite things was putting the live memory on the screen. So I can't quite. Well, let's see what could I do. How about if I do this? I better not screw up my video. U8 star B equals, I think it's GR font, text, let's see, F1. I'm going to make a really psychedelic thing. So I go to text layer, I think. No, wait, GR. I think it's GR font. Character. One thing is you want people to see the end text. There it is. Okay, there is not. Oh, there's font. Okay, so text font. Okay, so I'm storing text font. Then I'm setting text.font equal to FS is the FS segment register. It's the current task. All you have to know is that's the current task record. So this is crazy. I'm setting the font memory to the current task. Then I'll sleep for 5 seconds. And then I'll set font to B. How about that? Okay, that didn't do anything changing, but that was kind of exciting, wasn't it? That's the sort of thing you did with the Commodore 64. All the Commodore people know what I'm talking about. That means all you kernel hackers in Linux, when you were young, you were Commodore people, weren't you? And all you people at OS Dev, you like Ring 0. You know what the funny thing is? You know what all the OS developers do? They try to lock people out of Ring 0. Well, you hypocrites, you like Ring 0. Why are you locking people out of Ring 0? That's the fun part. So let's say, if you say doc dump, this is if you just say dump fs, you get a static hex dump. Doc dump fs, size of fs. Whoop. Oh, it doesn't like that. What? Oh, well. I guess I have to say C-task, maybe. I don't know. Why didn't that work? Oh, well. Okay. So, I made my compile. So, look at this. All these things are changing. That's the sort of thing you did with the Commodore. This is the current task record. So, I happen to know some of these numbers. Oh, I better not. You can change them live. So this is the, let's say, class rep dynamic fs. Okay, here's the win pixel top left. Okay, so this is the top character. Let's set it to 5. Look at that. We changed the window just like that. We're changing the window. Is that cool? So what else can we do? We can change the current directory. That would be pretty cool. So this is what you're not. Linux tries to keep you out. Obviously, nobody on Linux would. This would be laughable. Of course, all the kernel hackers are going to keep you out. All the kids will not have access. You silly people. Don't you remember a Commodore 64? So if I do a directory, do you want to change the directory? Oh well. Directory star, comma, true. This gives us clusters. And we say dump cluster. Red C is even nicer. This is the current directory, dot 0x. So this is the directory cluster. It's mostly 0. Clusters are groups of multiple byte blocks. So there's the, oh, it's a fat. Oh, that's no fun. Anyway, that's a fat cluster. That's a fat directory. Red C is super simple, just for kids to play with. That's what we did with our Commodores. That's the whole point. Bill Gates said, yeah, when you had a Commodore, you had to program binary sprites or sprite graphics with binary. That was the dark ages. Now you get to do 100 fonts in HTML. Aren't you funny? Like, who wants to do that? It's just not. Where is my I have a balloon that this does the bare metal VGA graphics. I can't show you with the frame grabber. It doesn't grab. One of these is VGA. Maybe I put that in. To look at all these demos. Oh, I was going to go through some of these demos. Where are the demos? Demo index. Control O. Anyway, so somewhere in here is the Commodore 64 balloon. Oh, there it is, balloon. So there's the. I purposely did it like a Commodore. Anyway, so now you understand all the stuff that they carefully keep you out of. That's the fun stuff. That's what else do we have access to? If you want to modify, I don't know. The sky's the limit. Everything you have access to.